All right, so without wasting any of your time, if you are looking for a cool effect like this, wherein you get the data and the values notified or maybe, visualized in some cool patterns, let me show you how to do it. We will go ahead, do this first. So this is how your data is currently looking, I'm guessing. Now just go ahead, click and select all the data, go to manage rules and conditional formatting, hit new rule, and then here in style you can see a data bar wherein it gives you a cool loading bar type of effect, and this is probably what you're looking for, the icon set. Now here you have a lot of options. You can choose whatever you like or whatever suits your need. I'll go ahead do this, and you can also change like the individual icons. So yeah, that's a pretty cool advantage. Now let's do this. Let's do this for the middle one and probably this for the last one. Now in type it says percent. You if you want, if your numbers are in percentage, you can keep it percent here. That's not a problem. But since my numbers are actually numbers, not percentage, so I'll go ahead, click it, change it to numbers, and then I'll just enter the values. So zero point 0.8, zero point 0.6, zero point 0.4, and zero point 0.2, which is quite an even distribution, right? And this is pretty much it. Now, when you click apply, it's going to show you the icons, but together with that, it's going to show you the numbers as well, which if you don't want, then you can just go ahead and enable this option, which says show icon only, click OK and hit apply. That's it. Now, you might be wondering that the icons look quite pixelated, right? Now, I don't know about Excel, but probably this is some issue with the font size. So just go ahead, play with the font size a bit, whichever suits you. Just check the font size, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And even if like for 11 it's pretty pixelated, for 10 it's improving, for 9 it's perfect. So if you are looking for a smaller font, then 9 is also a nice number. For the bigger ones, 16, 18, something like that, it's also fine. So yeah, you get the point, right? Conditional formatting, manage rules, and then just icon. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. I hope you got to know whatever you wanted to know from this video. And if you liked it, just click that like button and hit subscribe if you want to see more of these videos or short tutorials.